Everything is space-based, very easy to navigate, find information and restore order within your facility. You'll notice on the left, everything is organized by spaces. So if I'm on a floor now, if I go to the building, you'll notice that it now brings me to the building dashboard. I can still get at other pages that you saw on the previous floor plan, but it's now filtered for the building. The other thing is that this interface is mobile optimized, so it scales down to the device that you're accessing that software from. So if I'm on an iPad, similar to this, I'll get, one responsive based design and interface for that iPad. It creates a seamless way to operate your system no matter what type of device you're accessing that system from. Does not require any installable software, so no Flash, no Java, Silverlight, nothing of that sort. Just open up your favorite web browser, access Metasys. Really easy for the IT department to implement and keep current with upgrades, patches for this security reasons.